Hey there, in this video we're going to be making our own butter slime. It's our own version. It's not quite the same as the way everyone else is making it. So if you want to check out our video, stay tuned. Okay, so we're going to try to make our own version of butter slime, except it's not going to be yellow. So we got some glue.
Green.
And green. She wants it to be like, what, like slime, like green slime?
Yeah, I want it to be like a yellowish green. This is cool.
Okay, here. So pour in, just pour
That
it in
bowl?
there.
This
Yeah,
bowl?
pour it in the bowl. Squeeze it out. Make sure it goes right into the bowl.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Oops. There you go. Okay, so no, we're not doing both. Leave that one there.
What's this one for?
I don't know, in case we decide to do another one another time. Okay, so we got that. We get to do some of our green food coloring. So here, Gabby, let's put in a couple drops and then see what the color is, and then keep going.
Or 3 drops.
Keep it over the bowl. Okay, so now we're going to add a little bit of water. Mix it in. All right, now we're going to add some shaving cream. Stir this in real good. All right, now a little bit more food coloring and some delicious almond extract to make it smell yummy. Okay, so now we're adding our activator, which we're using borax, and it's mixed with water just till it's dissolved. It was about a teaspoon to a half a cup of water. And we just mix it in, and it's starting to change. Look at that. Look how it's getting so sticky. Keep mixing it, mixing it. It's starting to come together. Look at that. Borax in there. Starting to get sticky. Is this how it's supposed to be?
Well, it looks like it was supposed to be like that.
All right, now just a little more borax. It's starting to really come together. I think that's all we're gonna need. And then we'll just continue to knead it until the stickiness goes away.
It kind of feels like butter slime. It looks like butter slime. Well, I don't know. This is kind of like Laffy, like Taffy slime. Like Laffy Taffy slime. That's cool. Eek, it's stretchy. Oh, Terry, actually. Oh, wow. Let's see what's inside it. Oh, it sure is stretchy. And slippery. Wow, that's cool inside. I'm going to put my thumb in there. know. Oh, it will be good though. It will be silly to prank your friends with.
Did it come out right?
Yeah, it's really fun.
Is that the right kind of slime to make butter slime?
Yeah.
Cool.
This
So
kind
is
of
this a
feels like
winning
Laffy
recipe?
Taffy slime.
Oh, really? Is this a winning recipe?
Yeah. Feels good. It's kind of like Laffy Taffy slime or cake slime.
Cake slime.
Yeah, like
I've
slime.
never heard of cake slime before.
Actually, like cake slime. This would be. Don't prank your mom or dad with this stuff. Because this looks like butter.